Hello students, as you all know that Sons and Lover is the famous novel by D.H. Lawrence. Today we will discuss about the different themes that have been used in this novel regarding themes, family, psychology, and the Oedipus complex is also an important theme of this novel. Sons and Lovers examine the emotional dynamics of the Morrell family and the charts of gradual declines of the middle son Paul Morrell as he navigates tensions between his romantic life and his family life. Many of the conflicts in Sons and Lovers are driven by underlying psychological forces which even the characters themselves do not understand. This makes it difficult for them to respond in the way that help. Christianity, propriety, these are also important aspects of Britain in 90s when Sons and Lovers is set, and the Lawrence uses frequent references of biblical stories to underpin much of the actions of the novel. However, when paired with social notions of the propriety, Christians' beliefs disrupt the life of the characters by discouraging them from exploring their physical urges. Throughout the novel, Paul's attitude towards women is defined by his love for his mother, Mrs. Morrell, which leads him to compare his female lovers with her. Since Paul's love for his mother is rooted in idealism and not in reality, the other women in his life, Clara and Miriam, cannot compare with Paul's romantic ideas of how women should be, and they find themselves cast aside by Paul. Life and death are closely interlinked throughout Sons and Lovers, and the grief has a palpable and lasting impact on the lives of the characters. Sons and Lovers was concluded in the aftermath of the death of Lawrence's own mother, and his experience with grief shapes the events of the novel. Death is portrayed as the ever-present force in the novel, sometimes which is both terrifying and at times terribly seductive. Lawrence uses nature and natural world to represent their inner lives of the characters throughout Sons and Lovers, suggesting that human beings are not separate from the natural world but rather extension of it. Lawrence indicates that closer and more harmonious the relationship between humans and the natural world, the happier and the more fulfilling human life will be. The further characters travel from natural world, and the more unstable and unhappy they are. So these are the different themes that have been discussed in this novel.